Python code challenge. Can you guess the output of this Python code? You will have 30 seconds to choose one answer from 4 options. The function func is defined with 2 parameters x and y. Notice that y has a default value of 2. This means if you don't pass an argument for y, it will automatically be assigned the value 2. When we call func3, we're only providing one argument, which will be assigned to x. Since we didn't pass a second argument for y, it uses the default value, which is 2. So inside the function, the expression x asterisk y becomes 3 by 2, and the result is 6. That means the correct answer is option C, 6. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.